Hello students, welcome to maths class. Today we will finish our ellipse problems, right? From this ellipse we are having two short answer questions, 4 marks questions. So that's why we are doing lot of problems from this ellipse. Okay, so today we will solve two problems. So come to the first question. Find the equation of the tangents to this one which makes equal intercepts on the coordinate axis. So ellipse equation is given to you. To this ellipse equation we have to find the equation of the tangents. These tangents makes equal intercepts with the coordinate axis. One condition is given, those tangents condition is given to us. What is that condition? These tangents makes equal intercepts with the coordinate axis. Okay, so come on, first what is the given ellipse equation? So given ellipse equation, what is ellipse equation is 9x square plus 16y square is equal to 144. So this is the ellipse equation. So reduce this into your standard ellipse equation form. So if we want to reduce this into standard ellipse form, it should be in the form of x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So dividing this equation with 144 on both sides, by right side we have to get the value as 1. Okay, so come on, write down, divide, right, with 144 on both sides, right. So come on, it is 9x square plus 16y square is equal to 144 divided by 144 divided by 144. So write separately 9x square by 144, 16y square by 144 is equal to 1. So 9 16 ja, right, 16 9s. So it is x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Okay, we can write this as x square by 4 square plus y square by 3 square is equal to 1. 16 can be written as 4 square, 9 can be written as 3 square. That means slowly we are reducing the ellipse equation into standard form, right. Is in the form of x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So where a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 3 implies a is greater than b. Okay, so now we have to find the equation of the tangent to this ellipse which makes equal intercepts with the coordinate axis. So equation of line which makes equal intercepts, which makes equal intercepts, right, intercepts with coordinate axis, with coordinate axis is, what is that? It is standard form, any line which makes equal intercepts with the coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means x axis and y axis. A is x plus y is equal to k. So this can be written as, how we can write? We will write this as y is equal to minus x plus k, sending x that side. Now E is in the form of, which form you are having? Y is equal to mx plus c, where m is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to k. Okay, since it is this line is a tangent, it is given the tangent makes equal intercepts with the coordinate axis. So, since it is a tangent to ellipse, right, it satisfies which condition? C square is equal to a square m square plus b square. It satisfies the condition C square is equal to a square m square plus b square. So, come on, is equal to C. C is k square. C square means k square. A square. What is our a value? 4. So, it is 4 square. M is minus 1 whole square plus b square, that is 3 square. Okay. So, it is k square is equal to 4 square 16 into 1 plus 9 is equal to 25. So, k is equal to plus or minus root 25, that is plus or minus 5. Okay. So, therefore, equation of tangent, right, tangents are, what are the equation of the tangents? X plus y is equal to plus or minus 5. This can be written as x plus y. Bring this side, again it will be minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. So, is equal to 0 is the answer. Okay. So, what is the procedure? First, given equation of the ellipse. One ellipse equation is given to you. Reduce that ellipse equation into standard form. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 is called the standard ellipse form. So that we will know a and b values. So, for that sake, right side we need 1. So, divide entire equation with 144, right. So, 9x square plus 16y square is equal to 144 divided by 144 divided by 144. So, here it is 1. Write separately 9x square by 144, 16y square by 144. Then you will have x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. 16 can be written as a 4 square, 9 can be written as a 3 square. So that comparing, you will know your a value as 4 and b value as 3. Okay. So, now we have to find the equation of the tangents, right, which makes equal intercept with the coordinate axis. That means equal intercept with the x axis as well as y axis. So, any line which makes equal intercepts with the coordinate axis is x plus y is equal to k. So, this can be written as y is equal to mx plus c form, right. Send x that side, it will be minus x, right. Then your m is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to k. Okay. So, since it is a tangent to the ellipse, it satisfies the condition c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. Okay. So, substitute in c place, you can substitute k, right, a square m square plus b square, you will get your k value. Once we got k value, substitute it, you will get your answer. Okay. So, next come to the second question. So, find the value of k, right. See the question, find the value of k if it is a tangent to this ellipse. So, one line equation is given to you, in that line one value is given in terms of k, right. So, we have to find that k if it is a tangent to the ellipse. So, come on, given equation of ellipse, right, ellipse is, what is your ellipse equation? It is x square plus 3y square is equal to 3. So, first thing is reduce that into your ellipse equation form. So, how we will reduce? Right side we should get it as 1, right. So, dividing with 3, right, x square plus 3y square is equal to 3. This by 3, this both sides we are dividing with 3. Then it will be x square by 3 plus 3y square by 3 is equal to 1. Writing separately. So here 3 cancel. So we can write this as x square by 3 plus y square by 1 is equal to 1. Is of the form, which form? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 implies a square is equal to 3 and b square is equal to 1. Okay. So now one line is given as the tangent, right? What is that? Given that, which line equation? The line 4x, right, plus y plus k is equal to 0 is a tangent to the ellipse. Tangent to ellipse. Okay. So it is tangent to ellipse. Try to write this in y is equal to mx plus c form, so that the condition satisfied the tangent, we will use our c value, m value. We need that value. That's why try to write this as y is equal to mx plus c form. So send x term, k term that side, that is minus 4x minus k. Okay. So is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, right. So m is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to minus k. Okay. So since it is a tangent, right, since it is a tangent, it satisfies one condition. It satisfies, what is that condition? C square is equal to a square m square plus b square. What is c? Minus k. Minus k whole square is equal to a square is 3, right, and m is minus 4 whole square plus b square is 1. So minus k whole square, minus into minus plus, so k square is equal to 3 into 16 plus 1. 16 3s are 48 plus 1. Okay. So k square is equal to 49, right, implies k is equal to plus or minus root 49, that is plus or minus 7. So question is find the value of k when it is a tangent to the ellipse. So what is the procedure? First you take the ellipse equation, right, and reduce that ellipse equation into your standard form, right. So x square by 3 plus 3y square by 3 is equal to 1, so that you will know your a square value, b square value. Then one line equation is given to us, and it is given in the question, it is a tangent to the ellipse. So 4x plus y plus k is equal to 0 is a tangent to the ellipse. So whenever it is a tangent to the ellipse, try to write the line equation in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, right. So y is equal to, send this x term and k term to that side. Okay. So and compare, your m is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to minus k. So since it is a tangent, it has to satisfy the condition c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. So what is your c value? C is equal to minus k. So minus k square is equal to a square, right. So that is 3, and m square is minus 4 whole square plus b square, that is 1. So minus 4 whole square, minus into minus, 4 4s are 16. So 16 3s are 48 plus 1 49. K square is equal to 49, k is equal to plus or minus root 49, that is 7. Okay. So simple problem, same formula we are using in two formulas. Whenever any line is a tangent to the ellipse, it has to satisfy the condition as c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. Suppose this is the tangent, right. Y is equal to mx plus c is a tangent to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, then it has to satisfy the condition c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. Okay. So, that is why in two problems we reduced the tangent equation in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, first we reduced y is equal to mx plus c, we got our m value, c value. So, the condition for the line y is equal to mx plus c to be a tangent to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 is c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. That is the condition. That is why actually if the ellipse equation is also not in this form, we have to reduce it. See here in this problem, first we reduced the ellipse into this form x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Similarly, we reduced the line equation also in the form y is equal to mx plus c. So, after reducing, you will know your a and b values, and after reducing the line equation, you will get your m and c. So, the condition is c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. We need c value, m value, a value, b value. Okay. If we reduce it, we will get a and b. Reduce the ellipse equation into standard form, you will get a and b. Reducing the line equation in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, you will get your m and c. Right. Once we got those 4 values a, b, m, c, we will apply the condition. What is that condition? C square is equal to a square m square plus b square. Apply. Okay. So, then you will get your k value. Okay. In both the problems, first we have to reduce the ellipse into standard ellipse form x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, and we have to reduce the line tangent form in the form of y is equal to mx plus c form. First, after reducing into ellipse form, you will get a and b. After reducing into line form in the y is equal to mx plus c, you will get m and c. Once you got all these, apply the formula c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. You will get your k value. Okay. So, that is the procedure. Clear with the concept, which value is given to us, which value we have to find out. First read the question and try to understand, then start solving the question easily. Within 2 minutes you can solve the problem. Okay. So, that is all for today. Have a nice day.